What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Thursday. Thursday morning. It's snowing. Some water main break or something at my work happened last night, so you'll see it in a second, but there's been an animal outside. If you don't have a remote starter for your car and you can't sit there and just push a button, you need to get that joint. I think we have a visitor. I'm gonna have to cover up that hole because I think something is sleeping in my garage. Snowing out. I wasn't gonna come to the gym today, but now that I don't have to go to work, I'm going to go ahead and try to get in a mega session. But I'm probably not gonna be able to go tomorrow because of snow, Saturday because of snow, Sunday because of snow. So I'm here. Hopefully they got some pizza. Planet Fitness, baby. I'm like the Hulk now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the rest of my snow day. Maybe clean my floors. Or maybe I'll go over to the upscale beauty supply store. I wonder how much that's different than the regular beauty supply store. Well, kids, it was an eventful, eventless day off, Thursday. We'll see what happens tomorrow night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna read and go to bed. Happy state of emergency. I know I said that I was going to go to bed or go read, but Abercrombie's having a 60 to 7% sale. There's some good stuff, I promise. Oh, you'll see those digs later. Snow's on the way. Happy Friday. I know the world right now, it's about almost 3:30. Everybody's running around acting really stupid. Prepare, people. You know what's coming. Don't be a dope. Got some of the main essentials. This is just some stuff. Made some food, packed my bags, and I'm heading down to the wings to get stuck. Pray for my house, nothing bad happens. Dad's got it on lock. We'll see you soon. Time to drop off all my goodies. Woo. Let's get ready to rock.
Get your boots ready.
Evening, kids. It is Friday evening. I think we survived. It's not snowing anymore, so that's pretty awesome. But as you can see, oh, no, gosh, no. I should not be doing this right now. We survived, hopefully the only one that we get this year, because I'm already over it. Hopefully everybody had fun on there. I don't even know what day it is. No, it's Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. Hopefully you had fun in the snow. My feet are getting soaked. My feet are cold. You probably can't even see me. I'm on my way home. It's too cold. Sunday morning, snow is falling. I have made my trek out of whatever it's called, Westshire. And I am walking back to my house. I love how all the plows just plow all the main streets and they push all the snow up into everybody else's street. Nobody's ever getting out of here. I'm calling it. Maybe Wednesday. I'm wearing a sock as a glove.